Hi, I'm Sebastian, co-founder and CEO of Appsend, a complete solution for building, managing and monetizing cross-platform mobile applications. Everything is going mobile, therefore in a market that will be worth $17 billion by 2012, a solution that simplifies the life cycle of an application is mandatory. Appsend is offering its developers a unique markup language that, unlike any other framework in the world, has no learning curve whatsoever. Any developer can start using it right away and deliver stunning mobile experiences in a matter of hours. But that's just the beginning, because every app built with Appsend has an entire range of backend services, including a cloud-based CMS, targeted push notifications, business intelligence tools, and app analytics. Appsend's competitive advantage is that it's not only helping people build mobile apps, it's helping people build mobile businesses. We're a team of 3 skilled and passionate entrepreneurs. We've been together as a team for 10 years now, throughout university, and have completed a lot of successful projects together. We believe we have the perfect synergy to take this business sky high.